So we are now looking at the home page for the new RADx Data Hub. And here at the top of the home page, we'll see a few quick links. The first is to the About page, where we can learn more about the RADx Data Hub, the coordinating and data collection centers, and the Data Hub partners. We also have links to our user tutorial and FAQs to help both new and returning users. As we scroll down the home page, we will see information about funding opportunities, upcoming events, and news items related to the RADx Data Hub. Clicking each respective More button will show additional information. For example, for events, we'll see information about upcoming events, like today's webinar, as well as past events. As we continue to scroll, we will see an overview of the content in the RADx Data Hub, including the total number of files, the total number of studies, as well as a breakdown by the associated RADx program. You can learn more about each program by clicking the name, and for RADx DHT, this will go out to the Rapids platform. Further down, we'll see recent content updates to the RADx Data Hub, including newly registered studies, studies with new files, and studies with recently updated files. In our footer, we have additional links about the RADx Data Hub, links to related websites, as well as links to our policies. You'll also see links to our YouTube page and newsletter. Users can learn more about the RADx Data Hub by visiting the Helpful Information section, which is always available from the navigation bar. Helpful information is divided into 4 sections: General, for researchers, for submitters, as well as external links. If users still have any questions, they can reach out to the support team using the Contact Us feature available in the navigation bar. They will enter their information and submit a support request. Users can search the content of the RADx Data Hub by using our Study Explorer. The Study Explorer can be reached from the navigation bar. On the Study Explorer, users will be able to perform a text search, filter their results based on metadata, sort and download search results, and view the results in the UI in both a table view or a list view. We'll now conduct a sample search. So I'm interested in studies dealing with a high-risk population. So I'll start with the text search of high risk. We can see that there are 82 studies that match this query. We can also see that if our search term is included in any of the visible metadata, that it will be highlighted. I'll now further filter the search results by using the filters on the left. So say I only want studies that have data files available, and I want studies that deal with social determinants of health under their study domain. I still see 27 results, so I'll further filter down by identifying a targeted cohort size range of 501 to 1,000. So based on this query, we can see our top search result is the study titled "A Nurse, Community Health Worker Family Partnership Model Addressing Uptake of COVID-19 Testing and Control Measures." To see more about this study, I can click the study title, which will take me to its RADx study page. So on the RADx study page, we'll see the full study name, and additional information, including the study description, study start and end dates, and the date which this study was released in the RADx Data Hub. As I continue scrolling, we'll see the study documents and data files tables. The data files table will include the available data files with information about the number of records and the number of variables in the data file. If I click the number of variables, it will show me a full listing of the variables that are included in the data file. If the data file has a corresponding metadata or data dictionary file, I'll be able to view or download these files. The study documents will also be available for download. This is all available without going through a request at this point. After reviewing the content that's available on this page, users who are interested in requesting access to the study data can click How to Request Access, found at the top of the page. The message that appears here will include a link to detailed instructions about the data request process in dbGaP. The RADx Data Hub also has a variables catalog. It also can be reached from the navigation bar. The variables catalog shows variables for all available data files in the RADx Data Hub. The catalog includes two views. One which shows all the variables across all the data files, and a second that shows only our RADx core variables, or the CDEs mentioned earlier in today's webinar. This view includes not only the variable names, but also labels further explaining the variables. Within the table, users can click on the value in the study name column to go to the corresponding study page in the RADx Data Hub. They also can click the PHS number found in the dbGaP ID column to go to the corresponding study page in dbGaP. The content that's available on this page is available for download.